Hello Gaurav sir, I couldn't be more grateful to regard you as my manager. Wish you a greatest of joy on your sixth work anniversary.
Hi Gaurav sir. Thank you for everything that you have taught me till now and encouraging me to bring out the best out of me. So happy work anniversary to the best manager around, and I feel so lucky to have worked under you.
The success which you have achieved throughout these years is nothing but an inspiration for all of us. Wish you a very happy work anniversary, Gaurav sir. Thank you for motivating and inspiring us to do more better in our life. Happy work anniversary.
Hi Gaurav sir, it has been pleasure for me to work as a fellow employee under your estimate guidance. Many congratulations to you on this special day. Happy work anniversary.
Hello Guru sir, a very big congratulations on your 6th work anniversary. Thank you for all your support and care. May this year give you lots of happiness, success and grow. We are so proud to be your team. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy 6th work anniversary, sir. Keep inspiring us and enjoy your day.
Hi Gaurav sir, it's so good to have such a cool, amazing, and a supportive manager like you at the workplace. So stay as you are and happy work anniversary.
Happy work anniversary, Gaurav sir, and thank you for your support and care. You are the coolest manager ever, and may this year ahead bring you prosperity, success, and growth. And we are proud to be part of your team. Thank you.
Hey, hi Shekhar sir. Happy work anniversary to you. Congratulations for achieving this milestone. You are a perfect example of how a lead should be. And I always like the things how you make things easier and doable. Thank you for your true inspiration.
Hi Shikhar sir, congratulations for your work anniversary and thanks for being motivating us.
Hey Shekhar, just wanna tell you that you are a great leader and a person. Every workplace needs someone like you. I am blessed that I got this opportunity to work with you. Happy work anniversary.
Hi Shekhar, happy working anniversary and congratulations for completing 5 years in Tudip technology. I think I'm working with you from last 5 to 6 months and it's really good experience for me. I think I'm lucky that I have manager like you. Thank you.
Hi Shekhar, I am proud to work under your leadership and always wanted to work with a man like you. You are the backbone of our team and set an example of how one should lead the team. Many congratulations on your work anniversary.